Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready, plug the watch in if needed, and open the Fitpro app on your phone. Once the app is open, allow required permissions so the app can access files and Bluetooth. You should pair the watch now, select it from the app's device list, and confirm pairing on both devices. Make sure the wallpaper image is accessible in your phone gallery. This lets the app import it quickly. When pairing completes, proceed to the wallpaper tool in the app. Once you're in the wallpaper editor, tap Import or choose Image and pick the photo from your gallery. You'll crop to the watch shape. Use the preview to center important details because the watch screen may cut edges. This is why cropping matters. Next, tweak brightness and contrast so the watch display looks clear under indoor and outdoor lighting. If you want, add text or a sticker. Make sure it stays inside safe margins. Save the edited image before sending it to the device. You now upload the saved wallpaper to the watch. Tap Set as Wallpaper or Upload and watch the progress bar. Once started, keep the phone and watch close. Maintain the app in foreground because backgrounding can pause transfers. When the transfer finishes, the watch should display the new wallpaper automatically. If not, open watch settings and select the new face manually. If you run into issues, restart both devices and try repairing. That resolves most connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.